My distinguished delegates, I am very, very happy to be back here in Maiduguri, which I count my home. I have many friends and I've been coming for many years. Today, I come before you to seek your support, your blessing, and your prayers that inshallah come 2023, I will become the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And it's my belief that when I become the next president, Borno and Yobe State know that they have a friend in Asubila. In Nigeria today, we are in a very, very delicate situation. The country is very fragile. This was not the country when it was under PDP. In the last number of years, this country has suffered, and nobody has faced that more than my people here from Yobe and Borno State. You have lost many dear friends, family. People have not have jobs. Children have not gone to school. This was not what was a dream of the Nigeria we all wish for. This is the election now for us to change it, for us to rescue Nigeria. For my distinguished delegates, it is not a job for just anybody. The problem in Nigeria today is not a job that we can just put anybody there. We have to find somebody that has the capacity, somebody that is vibrant and energetic, somebody that knows how to unite Nigeria. For my time as governor for 8 years, I transformed Kwara State to a modern state. I was senator, Senate president for 4 years. And in those 4 years, the history shows, record shows, that Senate is the best Senate in the Federal Republic of Nigeria today. I stood for Nigerians. I stood for the integrity of the National Assembly. I stood for what was right. I questioned what was wrong. You need a leader now that is bold and courageous like that. I believe I can be that leader and that president for Nigeria today. Today, with the level of insecurity, you need a president that will stand and will not stop until every man and woman is safe in this Nigeria. I will not stay in Abuja while my people are suffering in Maiduguri or Damaturu. When I was Senate President, check the records, I was the first Senate President to come and visit the people here in Borno and say, to find out what is going on. Why are people dying? What is the reason? I was the first Senate President. And when I went back, we decided that we must pass a bill for the Northeast Development Commission. Today, the Northeast Development Commission that was passed was started under me as Senate President. We worked hard and provided funding for the security to ensure that the security gets improved. My people from Borno and Yobe, this part of the country is important to me. Many years ago, a lot of you don't know, when I was just a young banker, I used to come here, I would take first flight to Maiduguri. We had a bank that had many branches here. We had 2 branches in Maiduguri. We had branches in Damaturu. Maiduguri and Damaturu was bringing business for us. I know Maiduguri and Damaturu and those things. And inshallah, I will bring back those days where Maiduguri and Damaturu used to be, where there was a lot of business. But to do that, you must understand business. To do that, you must have experience. Because today, Nigerian government has no money. But inshallah, with you, and you make a man like myself, I'll bring it back to this world. I'll be a government that will be your government. I will not be far from you. And I will be close to you and make sure that life comes back to the entire Borno and Yobe state. There will be many aspirants, many. They will come, they will go. But in both APC and PDP, I'm the only aspirant, the only one that is two-term governor, 8 years, and chairman of the National Assembly. There's no other kind of aspirant. There's no other aspirant that has my experience. Today, we can't just vote for anybody because I like him, he's my brother, or because we worship in the same. No, we must look at all the aspirants. Because what is before us now is not what we are going to eat today. It is about our children who cannot go to school. It is about youth who have no job. It is about women who have nothing to do. Find somebody with capacity like myself and we'll change Nigeria, inshallah. Chairman, distinguished delegates, we have 7 days when you will come to Abuja to come and vote. Please vote with your conscience. Vote for Nigeria. Vote for who will make Nigeria better. Vote for who has the international connection to bring business here. Many years ago, you all know, all the neighboring countries, if they don't come to Maiduguri, they have not started business. We want to bring back those days here to Maiduguri, and we'll bring it back, inshallah. So I seek your support. I seek your cooperation so that inshallah come 2023 I will have all the support at the next convention next week, and I promise inshallah I will not forget you and I will disappoint you. The Almighty Allah give us success not only at national but even at the state, because APC both in Borno and Yobe have disappointed Nigerians, and we want PDP back in Borno State and back in Yobe State, inshallah.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.